welcome to the video on the coal-to-graphene revolution. We will discuss Axiom Molecular's strategy for molecular dissection of fossil assets into electronics-grade value as part of our Series A bond offering portfolio. Our process moves beyond combustion. We are unlocking the latent chemical wealth of coal without atmospheric compromise. The global paradox highlights the conflict between energy demand and the carbon crisis. Global industrialization requires high-density power, while the anti-fossil lobby correctly targets combustion. Axiom solves this by separating the molecule from the emission. A key aspect of the minehead advantage is logistics elimination. By processing coal at the pithead, we remove the largest operational cost component. Our distributed processing centers transform solid raw ore into high-value gaseous hydrogen and solid graphene flakes on site. Our two-stage solution begins with Stage 1, flash, where a high-energy plasma arc vaporizes pulverized coal. Stage 2, microwave, uses precision resonance to crystallize carbon atoms into high-purity graphene sheets. Our output is net negative, capturing 115% of CO2e. Stage 1, plasma flash, involves molecular vaporization. Coal is pulverized and subjected to 10,000 degrees Celsius in the flash cracker. This dissection phase removes mineral impurities as vitrified slag before the carbon structuring phase. Stage 2, microwave purity, utilizes precision structuring. Microwave plasma allows for non-equilibrium cracking, tuning the resonance to specifically snap CH bonds. This yields a consistent, electronics-grade flake with zero metallic contamination. Axiom Molecular achieves carbon dominance. We don't just reduce emissions, we reverse them, achieving 115% net carbon removal. By locking coal carbon into graphene, we prevent atmospheric entry and generate high-value removal credits. The bituminous advantage stems from high carbon density, maximizing graphene volume per ton. Furthermore, vast global reserves ensure economic stability, locking Axiom's feedstock price for decades, unlike volatile LNG or oil. This table shows the feedstock output matrix, comparing different coal types. Note the graphene yield, hydrogen output, and CO2 credits per metric ton for anthracite, bituminous, and lignite. Our graphene yield comparison shows that coal is the ultimate graphene mine, producing over 4.5 times the carbon value of gas. We achieve scientific dominance with our graphene, which is electronics grade. Our output is 99.9% pure, suitable for semiconductors. The microwave process eliminates metallic catalysts, removing ionic contamination seen in traditional CVD graphene. Our diversified material markets include energy storage, structural materials, and semiconductors. Graphene enhances lithium-ion anode capacity, strengthens concrete, and provides superior thermal dissipation for AI chips. Our process enables emerald hydrogen baseload with distributed stability. Molecular coal cracking releases massive volumes of hydrogen, providing 24/7 baseload power, unlike electrolysis. A 70% surplus is exported for local industrial fuel or heating. We deliver the zero-waste promise through vitrified slag. Axiom's flash cracker melts minerals into inert, glass-like slag. This high-value, chemically stable construction aggregate solves the tailings problem. We use modular sled deployment for parallel scaling. Instead of multi-billion-dollar refineries, we deploy 40-foot high-cube sleds made in a central gigafactory. A cluster of 22 sleds provides 1 gigawatt of resilient capacity. The 1 gigawatt global cluster deployment at a single coal pit produces 1.3 million tons of graphene and $8.5 billion in EBITDA annually. This represents the new gold standard for energy infrastructure. This strategy serves as the financial engine, turning environmental remediation into the world's highest-yielding bond asset. Our 5-year revenue projection shows significant growth. With 222 sleds by year 2, revenue stabilizes above $11 billion, with EBITDA consistently over $8.5 billion. Our bond security offers 15% accruing annual interest. This is a senior secured zero-coupon structure, paid at 5-year maturity, backed by graphene future purchase agreements and government carbon removal offtakes. Our Green Shield strategy ensures success through regulatory armor, digital bypassing, and symbiotic growth. By achieving 115% carbon removal, we exceed the performance of wind or solar installations. We are restoring coal regions through the just transition. Axiom brings high-tech manufacturing to the pithead, utilizing the existing workforce. This preserves local economies while meeting global climate mandates. The energy stability comparison shows that while wind and solar require significant storage ratios, Axiom Molecular delivers pure stability at the mine head. Our execution roadmap includes 4 phases: manufacturing, validation with the first 22 sled deployment, scaling to 100+ sled clusters, and full integration into the grid and graphene supply chain. Thank you for watching this video. Axiom Molecular is securing the future of carbon. Please reach out to the Series A bond desk for more information.